Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy A3 Core, and today I will show you how you can install your iPhone keyboard. Go for the Play Store, click on the search pool, type green Apple keyboard. Let's install. It's from the Arvin apps. Right now we can open it. So just click here, tap to enable in the settings, click on the switcher, click OK for the 2 times, then just go back and tap to switch input methods. Switch to English United States keyboard and tap finish. So right now we can check how it works. As you can see right now, our keyboard theme has changed and it looks very close to the iOS theme. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.